Hello everyone, welcome back to become cyber security expert. My name is Pranav Sabne and today we are going to see importance of information security compliance. I have divided this video into two parts. In part 1 we have seen some common examples of non-technical compliances. In this video means this part of the video we will see some common examples of technical compliances. So before starting, let's revise what is compliance. So in simple terms, compliance means following established specifications. So whatever you have documented, follow it. Whatever you are following, document it. So let's take some examples. So if you join some organization and you raise a request for laptop. So when you go to IT department to collect your laptop, then IT engineer does not ask you your requirement. It is pre-configured. Organization has already decided what should be make of the laptop, what should be the model of the laptop, what should be the processor, how much hard disk should be there, what should be the RAM, what should be there, what not should be there. So USB drive is generally disabled. So all these are specifications related to the hardware. So it has been documented somewhere. So hardware specifications for laptops. So is an example of technical compliance. Then some operating system is installed on the laptop. Not only laptop, on servers also. So it has already been decided which operating system should be running. Generally, any organization prefers to run latest operating system. So operating system N or N-1 should be running on all laptops. So assume latest version of Windows 11 is there in the market and Windows 10 was the previous version. So N or N-1. So either Windows 11 or Windows 10 should be running on all laptops. So it is standard and it should be running on all laptops. It is to ensure that the hacker does not misuse your old operating system, your legacy operating systems. So for some security reasons, your organization has mandated it. Then just like which operating system should be running, how the operating system should be configured, which services should be enabled, which services should be disabled. So that is called as OS hardening. So it ensures that only bare minimum services are enabled and the services which are generally not required are disabled. And the purpose is to prevent any unauthorized person hacking your system and making any misuse of it. So OS hardening will help you to achieve that. Not only operating system of your laptops and desktops, but operating systems which are running on your various servers and other network and security devices. It should be configured properly. Various appliances you are using. Here for just for sake of example, I have taken operating system. It is applicable for your applications, various appliances which you are using. So those applications also should be hardened, so that only authorized people will get access to it. And as services which are generally not required are disabled, so it ensures that there is no hacking because of exploiting those services. Then let's take one more example, that is role-based access control. So access to any particular hardware or any particular data should be granted strictly based on need for the organization, need from business point of view. So grant access only for those who need to access that particular data. If read access is sufficient for someone, then restrict that person with read access. If write access is essential for that person to do the job, but admin access is not required, with write access that person can do the job, then grant him write access, only write access, not admin access. And if that person cannot do his or her job without admin access, then and only then grant admin access for that person. And whenever you grant access or whenever you change the privileges for the person, means from read access to write access or write access to admin access or vice versa, you may be following some change management process or you may be taking some approval. So document it, define your process properly, document it, and periodically check with the authorized person whether this resource still needs that access. So if I need access, I have access, write access to some business critical application, I have write access. So after some time, ideally every month, but at least not more than 3 months, check whether I still need access to this particular application. Check it with my manager. Let my manager confirm that yes, Pranav still needs this access. Then and only then continue my access. Otherwise, disable my access. So this is role-based access control. So follow it strictly. It will help you to protect your environment. It will help you to protect your data. It will help you to protect your information. And ultimately, it will help you to protect your organizational objectives. So this is about compliance. So in part 1, we have discussed some non-technical examples related to compliance. And in this part, we have discussed some technical examples of compliance. And compliance is very much essential for information security. So I hope that you have found this video useful. If so, then please like this video, share this video, and subscribe your own channel, Cyber Security Expert. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.